There's a new Malayalam film on Disney Plus Hotstar. Surat Sir is in it, and I am very excited to watch it. Yesterday, I watched a Tamil film which I did not like, but I have high hopes from this one only because of Surat Sir. The name of the film is Parakalam. It is on Disney Plus Hotstar. I'm just gonna start it and I'm gonna react to the film while watching the movie. Let's see how it is.
Later.
What? I did not expect this. Oh my god. So I did not watch the trailer before watching the movie. I just got into it, like I told you, because of Surat Sir. And this is an insane film. Like, I love it. I did not know that this is going to happen in this movie. It is. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it is about. It's about two professors. One is Surat Sir, and the other professor basically has this board, like a Jumanji board apparently, that gives it superpowers. And it is using that board and superpowers, obviously, for its advantage. Movie is so interesting till now, and right now the students have basically come to know that one of their professors has this board with a superpower, and that other sir, which is Surat sir, is now into issues which is not really his problem. So now I think they're going to find out what happens and try to know what it is. The direction is nice, it's comedy, it's comical. I'm really liking it till now, and I'm excited to watch it. So let's get into the film. So it's been 20 minutes into the film now, and I'm gonna watch it. Let's see what we think about it.
Eventually.
I cannot believe where this movie is going, and honestly, I think it's the best decision I have taken watching this movie today. So let me tell you what has happened in the film right now. It's based out of like a supernatural game related to Ludo, which I think is really cool. And there's a lot of hulchal happening between the student and Surat sir and the other sir who has that power, Ranjit sir. And Ranjit sir is basically controlling everyone, Surat sir and the kids, and they are basically trying to fight against it. I'm loving the acting, loving the music, loving the direction, loving the pace. Everything about the film is really good right now. It is something super fresh. I have not seen anything like this in a very long time. It's like a very nice story. It is very interesting. I'm into it, and I have a feeling that Surat sir is going to do something, like probably he's the one controlling everyone, and the blame is just coming on Ranjit sir or something like that, is what I'm feeling right now. So let's see what we get into. 1 hour of the film is left right now, and I feel a lot of chaos is going to happen, so I'm excited to watch it.
1 hour later.
Okay, so firstly, I want to start with how much weight Surat sir has lost, and he's looking so different. But like honestly, 45 minutes of the film is left. But I want to say that right now I'm finding the film a bit messy. I think it's trying to do a lot, and it's not like a clean slate film. Like I thought that there will be like use of power, a lot of game stuff, and like I thought that the direction of the film was going somewhere else, but now it's become I don't know what's the correct word, but it's gone in like another direction, which I'm not very fond of. I'm losing my attention and getting it back, but I'm still into it because it's such a fresh concept and it's still interesting ish. But let's see how I feel about it towards the end. Okay, so I have just finished the film, and I don't know where the movie lost the plot and why. It became an utter mess. The only reason why I watched the film was the cast. Sandeep, oh my god, you have a new fan. I'm going to watch a lot of your films for sure. You have done a fantastic job in this movie. I think the acting is nice, music is nice, cinematography is nice, comedy, thriller. Only in the start 25 to 30 minutes, but after that I think the whole magic thing kind of vanished and it became a bit irritating. It's a interesting watch. I do recommend it, but it is not as good as the first half of the film, and I don't know why the writing became extremely messy, but yeah, a bit disappointed. So yeah, let me know what you think about the video in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.